I like it strong and black. No milk, no sugar, just coffee.
And what do you do while you drink it?
I drink my coffee and I look at my phone.
Oh no, not the phone.
Yes, I look at the news and emails. What about you?
I don't look at my phone. I sit by the window with my coffee. I just think. It is very calm.
Maybe I should try that.
It is very nice. Okay, so we have coffee. What about breakfast?
Breakfast is very fast for me.
Because you are late?
Yes, I eat toast. Just toast with butter or maybe a banana. Very easy.
That is very fast. I like to eat a good breakfast. I eat yogurt with fruit, or sometimes I make eggs.
Eggs? Wow, you have a lot of time.
I wake up early.
That's true. Okay, so after breakfast, we get ready for the day. I take a shower. I like a very hot shower.
Me too. A hot shower is good for waking up. And then the difficult part,
What?
choosing clothes.
Oh, yes.
I look in my closet. I have many clothes, shirts, pants, dresses, and I always think,
What?
I have nothing to wear.
Yes, I know that feeling.
It is so silly. I have so many clothes. What is your system?
My system is very easy. I only have blue shirts.
Really?
Yes, blue shirts, white shirts, gray shirts. Very simple. I grab one, done.
That is very smart.
It is easy. No thinking. Thinking is for later.
Okay, so you have your blue shirt. I finally find a dress, and then work.
Yes, time to go to work. How do you go to work? Do you drive?
No, I take the bus.
The bus. Is it good?
It is okay. It is very crowded. Many people.
I don't like crowded places.
Me too, but I can listen to music. I put in my headphones and listen to music or a podcast.
Oh, a podcast. A good podcast?
Yes, sometimes I listen to Emily English Daily.
Good choice. What about you? How do you get to work?
I drive my car.
Ah, your car. That is nice.
It is nice, but the traffic is not nice.
Oh, yes, the traffic. Many cars.
So many cars, all going very slow. Stop, go, stop, go.
Oh, that is boring.
It is. I listen to loud music.
Okay, so we are at work. What is your workday like? Is it busy?
Yes, it is always busy. The first thing I do is more coffee.
Of course.
I go to my desk, I turn on my computer, and so many emails.
Ah, the emails. I know.
I read emails, I write emails, and then